Hey Korbanth Saber fans, I'm going to show you a little bit about the Graflex Supreme and how it works. So a lot of people have asked questions about the clamp. So to take this off, to take the bottom off, you loosen the clamp and you twist the back end until you find the groove. There you go. It has an L groove and the clamp comes off the same way. Some people just kind of put them together, and so the way to get it on different sides of the hilt is you find here there's a tab. You put the tab in this little slot, and then when you turn it, and you can adjust it, and then to make it a little bit more firm, then you lock it in. Now this clamp is on this side, so if you want to get it on the other side, you'll notice that it feels like it's locked in, like it's not going to go. So what you do is you find the hole, pull it out, turn it, and then put it in this way. Now it's locked in on the right side of the hilt. So to get it from one side to the other, you have to actually find the groove, pull it out, and do it the other direction. So it does fit on either side. It's just a matter of pulling the clamp out. Some people also ask about this. This is loose. There's nothing you can do. This is just the way the vintage flash handle was. This is the button. This is button number 2. It's not an actual push button. You pull it down with your thumb. It's a lever. So you have button 1, button 2. Sometimes also people have asked, how can I make my clamp tighter? What you do is you can squeeze this together, and then you can turn this knob, and turning it clockwise makes it tighter. And of course that makes it also very narrow here if you're trying to get your clamp card in there. So what you do is you can squeeze it and turn it the other direction, and what it's doing is it's loosening. And once you get it to where you like it, if that's perfect, then it's good. If it's not, if it needs to be a little wider, you can do it again, one more turn, and then that's usually all you need. Sometimes people will say, I'm confused on how you get the clamp strip to stay in place. Well, you can tighten this, or my old favorite is add a little bit of tape to the bottom of your strip. Basically what you're doing is you're making it a little bit thicker, so that way it stays in a little better. But hopefully these tips help out, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.